Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the messaging app and going straight to the conversation with the shared location message. Find the exact message you want removed. Once located, press and hold or tap the menu icon on that message to reveal options. This is the first actionable step. Make sure you are on the correct message thread and that your account has deletion rights, because attempting to delete the wrong item can confuse recipients or leave a copy elsewhere. So confirm before you proceed. Next, select the delete or withdraw option offered. Different apps label it differently, so pick the one that removes the message for everyone if available. Once you tap that, confirm the action when prompted and read any note about local-only deletion versus full withdrawal. This matters because local removal leaves copies on other devices. If the app supports editing, you can replace content instead. After completion, check the thread to verify the message disappeared, and note timestamps for troubleshooting later. Finally, verify the deletion by refreshing the conversation and checking from another device if possible. Make sure no residual map previews remain. If you hit an error, update the app, confirm permissions, and check network connectivity. These fixes are often why deletions fail. Once done, consider turning off location sharing in app settings to prevent repeat incidents and tell recipients if something was accidental. If problems persist, contact app support with the message timestamp and a brief description.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.